Cleansing the Soul, a Journey to Inner Peace. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful depths of the English language. Today, we're exploring a profound and often used phrase, cleansing the soul. This concept is not only rich in meaning but also deeply rooted in various cultures and philosophies around the world. Let's embark on this journey together to understand what it truly means to cleanse the soul and how this phrase can be a powerful part of our language learning experience. Cleansing the soul refers to the process of making oneself pure, serene, and refreshed by eliminating negative thoughts, emotions, or experiences that weigh us down. It's akin to a deep, spiritual cleaning that goes beyond the surface, touching the very essence of who we are. This phrase often appears in contexts related to personal development, spirituality, and mental health, signifying a transformation towards a more positive and peaceful state of being. Soul cleansing is a concept that transcends languages and cultures, manifesting in numerous traditions across the globe. From the Native American practice of smudging with sage to purify a space or person, to the Japanese ritual of misogi, purifying the body and spirit near a waterfall, these practices highlight a universal desire for inner cleanliness and peace. Understanding these cultural nuances enriches our grasp of the phrase and offers a glimpse into the shared human experience of seeking purity and renewal. In everyday English, cleansing the soul can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it might refer to specific spiritual or religious practices aimed at purification. Metaphorically, it can describe actions or experiences that rejuvenate the spirit, such as taking a walk in nature, meditating, or engaging in a heartfelt conversation. For example, you might hear someone say, "This weekend getaway was truly cleansing for my soul," indicating that the experience brought them peace and rejuvenation. Cleansing the soul is a powerful phrase that encapsulates the human longing for purity, peace, and renewal. It reminds us that, beyond the hustle and bustle of daily life, there's a deep, intrinsic value in seeking moments and practices that refresh our spirits and lighten our burdens. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful layers of meaning behind cleansing the soul, and inspires you to find your own ways of achieving inner peace. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language with curiosity and joy.